In this video, I'll show you how to add footnotes in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, head over to your Chrome browser. This is our Chrome browser, and I'll open this up. And what I want to do now, I want to show you guys how you can add footnotes on Google Docs. So what you need to do now, you'd click on these dotted icons, right? Scroll down gradually. I'd open my Google Docs. I would click on it, wait for it to load, then I'll select the blank document, right? So what I need to do, I can come on here and type in what I want to type, right? Okay, so what I need to type now, I can come on here and type how to Edo YouTube channel. How to Edo YouTube channel is educational an educational how to guide channel channel for online entrepreneurs, right? So this is what I want to type, right? So I'm going to add a footnote to this text I just typed now, right? So what you need to do, you need to scroll up to this insert option, right? Click on this insert option. Once I've clicked on it, you scroll down, you'd see this footnote, right? Click on this footnote. So this is it. So let's say you have typed in something really long and you want to add a footnote to your document. So this is how basically you can add footnotes in Google Docs document. So you'd come on here, you can come on here and type signed, right? Signed. Let's say you just typed a document and you want to add a signature to it. So this is basically how you can add a footnote in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Ask me questions if you got any questions below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.